Hello, Conquering the Fear, a compassionate guide to understanding and overcoming cancer. It's a privilege to be here with you tonight to discuss an intimate and challenging topic, cancer. There are moments in life when fear takes hold of us, and a cancer diagnosis can certainly be one of them. Tonight, we aim to help conquer that fear. Firstly, let's understand what cancer is. Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. There are many types, and it can occur anywhere in the body. Remember, it's not a single disease, but many diseases with different behaviors, treatments, and outcomes. It's natural to feel afraid because cancer affects so many lives. According to the World Health Organization, cancer is the second leading cause of death globally. Most of us know someone who's been affected, directly or indirectly. But let's shift our focus toward hope. Early detection can significantly increase the chances of successful treatment. Awareness of early warning signs, regular self-examinations, and screening tests can play a vital role in early detection. Advancements in medical science have led to remarkable strides in cancer treatment. Surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, there's a wide range of treatments, often used in combination. The survival rates are improving, and many types of cancer are now curable or can be managed as chronic illnesses. And life after cancer? It's not just about surviving but thriving. Many survivors lead full, active lives. They adapt to a new normal, sometimes with a deeper appreciation of life and its moments. Overcoming cancer isn't just about the physical battle. It's equally important to tend to emotional health. Seek help when needed, from professional therapists, support groups, friends, and family. You're not alone on this journey. And let's not forget, a healthy lifestyle can also play a crucial role in cancer prevention and recovery. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management, these can all make a difference. Fear can be paralyzing. But knowledge, hope, resilience, and support can transform that fear into strength. In understanding and overcoming cancer, we conquer our fear. And remember, every step taken towards awareness and early detection is a step taken against fear and towards a healthier future. Thank you for joining us tonight. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. We hope that our conversation has helped you better understand and confront the fear associated with cancer. Stay strong, stay informed, and remember, you're never alone in this journey.